The Aviation Showcase team is here in Odense, Denmark this week to be speaking with ITW GSE, and I'm joined by Rune Lind Petersen, the Strategic Marketing Manager for the GSE manufacturer, and he's going to be giving us a tour of their facilities.
This is our 7400 cell. This is where we do our battery-powered eGPUs using the Nissan Leaf batteries that we use in all our battery-powered equipment at the moment.
So how does that work then? I mean, using a car battery for a GPU?
Yeah, that was actually a conscious decision. We wanted to take something that was tried and tested in the market, make sure everything was done up to safety standards and everything, and then we coupled it together with our 2400 ground power unit. So it's two known technologies put together in one, and that's the 7400 eGPU. So this is where it all starts. Like, we get the batteries and we get some of the transformers from down here, but you have the trailer here for the 7400 with the common interface display and everything. You mount the batteries, the back of the trailer here, of course put on the covers, and then you have your transformer and your chargers, and if any options, they are mounted in here with a nice canopy that then can easily be accessed. So here we have more or less the finished product. You see the transformer mounted, the chargers in the bottom right. You see the free chargers on this one. It's a free battery unit. When it's then done here, moves into the test cell through these two doors. You have a 180 kVA, the large unit in the back there, and then a smaller 90 kVA unit here. When they're through the testing the charging capabilities, the 90 kVA of course, they then move on through the door to shipping and out the truck.
So we've moved to one of the other units you've got here in the facility. This one you've pulled out the panel. Can you just explain exactly what's going on inside?
Yeah, of course. So this is a PCA 210, still a 3500 of course. This is one of the cooling modules, and this is the beauty of the machine of course. This is the quick swappable modular design in effect. So normally you'd see the cooling module flush with the steel frame here of course. Here you actually see the heater on it. We can then push this into the machine for it to be completely done, or you can pull it out and then you can come with a forklift and take it off, and then you can put in a new module. And this only takes 20, 40 minutes tops, even under a bridge in the airport.
So Hella, Jenny, we've seen loads of people running outside in blue t-shirts and a couple of bicycles as well. What's going on?
We have our 30 minutes of paid exercise every day. And we do this because it's become a big part of our DNA. We are much more focused in the afternoon. We increase efficiency. We are less ill. And it's fun. And we get to know each other. We get to know who is on the shop floor, who is in R&D. So we team up in different groups. And that enhances the team spirit, really.
So this is our climate test chamber. This is where we do factory acceptance tests of all our PCAs when that is a requirement from our customers.
So what sort of temperatures and humidities are you going to be getting in this room for the PCA when you're testing it?
Well, we can actually simulate just about anything from the temperatures of high humidity and high air temperatures in India, for example, or the low humidity, high temperatures in the Middle East, or anywhere in the US, for example. So we can simulate more or less every conceivable temperature that you could imagine, especially for cooling. And then we also have a container out back where we can simulate the aircraft load, so we can actually see how we can turn that high temperature, high ambient, high humidity air into something that will cool an aircraft and show them exactly what the performance is. It's not just theoretical, it's practical in here.
So what exactly have we got here?
Here is one of our newest products actually, called the 3500 Air Coil. So this is a hose reel system designed to work in collaboration with our 3500 PCA. So this is actually a customer back innovation project that we've done together with Schiphol in Amsterdam. So they right now actually have some test units that we've then developed in cooperation with them. And now we've learned a lot from those units, and that's resulted in these finished units that we're then gonna get into to Schiphol, and yeah, I'm thinking that'll be a great success.
So is this something you're looking to release, to the wider market as well in Europe and beyond as well?
Definitely, we are. This one is mounted on a trailer, but what we see mostly is that we're gonna replace a lot of the existing solutions, and also when we do new solutions for the bridge mounted, that this is where they're gonna be a big hit, because there are a lot of inefficient systems out there, and we've found some ways to improve on the efficiency in the hose and also in the airflow within the machine. And we're trying to do some things that will make the handling of it easier for the handler on the ground, so it'll be a better product to use than what many currently have, which is, for example, baskets, which is heavy and cumbersome to work with.
That's the end of the tour here at ITW GSE's facility in Odense, Denmark. Rune, thank you very much for showing me around. It's been a pleasure. If you want to know more information about the ground support equipment that ITW GSE is providing, look at the information in our description.